Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to install the new TP-Link Archer modem, its features and how to connect it. This router has Wi-Fi speeds of 300 megabits per second, plus 867 megabits per second and 5 dB antennas. There are different operating modes. There are also Gigabit ports for internet connection, heatsink control, and enhanced security with WPA3. Previously, I had a router from TP-Link connected to the network, but it started to fail. The problem with the Wi-Fi is likely due to something being broken or malfunctioning. The old modem was a TP-Link 24C2 model. A good modem, but it has been working for about 2 years and started to fail. Maybe because it was in the sun, and even the front panel has slightly yellowed. Let's unpack the new modem. It is wrapped in plastic. The package includes the robot itself, which comes equipped with 4 antennas. Additionally, everything is carefully wrapped in protective plastic to prevent any rushing. This ensures that the product remains in pristine condition during transit. The distance between the holes is slightly different, so you will need to rescrew the screws on the wall. There is a setup guide in both Russian and English, as well as an internet connection cable and a power cord above the block. The voltage output by the power supply is 12 volts and the current is 1 ampere. The distance between the holes is 9 centimeters, so we will shift them slightly. We securely mount it on the wall. To set up your internet, connect the Ethernet cable from the modem to your computer or router. Ensure the connection is secure, and connect the power supply to the system securely and properly, ensuring all connections are tight. The power and network connection lights have started blinking. It's time to proceed with its setup. Enter the electronic address 192.168.0.1 in any browser. We go into the router settings to access and configure the various settings and options. Create the password that you need. It should be in the range of 6 to 10 characters in length in English without spaces. And we click on the button. Let's get to work. Here, it is absolutely necessary to choose the appropriate time zone. We have +02 Cairo, which is the time zone for Cairo, Egypt. We then select the country from the list. We have Ukraine available. You can choose from various different cities. Here you can choose ESR, TNet, LANet, but I think we have a different one, so let's move on. The address will be configured automatically. Now it is necessary to enter all the addresses that were in the contract. Here we enable all networks. The password can be changed to your own for Wi-Fi. Now we will look at the internet connection. Restart and everything should work. Here we check the wired mode, 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. If the master TV is convenient for you. Everything started. The internet worked through the network. Now let's take a moment to check the speed of both the wired and Wi-Fi connection. The input and output speeds match the stated ones. Now let's check the internet speed over Wi-Fi. We disconnect the internet connection cable. As you can see, the speed of both wired and wireless internet is equal. This means the router is fully functional. As you can see, the router is quite functional. According to the instructions, it has a larger Wi-Fi coverage radius. Now I will go outside and see what the Wi-Fi signal is like. Now let's check the quality of the Wi-Fi signal right now, directly near the modem. All bars, and we move further behind the wall by 10 meters. The wall here is made of clay and is 25 centimeters thick. As you can see, there is also a full signal here. Excellent. Let's move on. This second wall, located 10 meters away, is also 25 centimeters thick. Here, the signal is full. Now I will go outside through another wall and move further away. Let's see what the signal level will be like there, outside. Through another wall. The signal already has 3 bars. It has gotten a little worse. Let's go to another building, through 2 more walls, and let's see what the signal will be like there. Here I am, 20 meters away. There are 5 walls between us, and there is still 1 bar of signal here. Let's check how the internet works. My old modem wouldn't get any signal in this spot. So, 4 antennas are better than 2. Thus, this modem with 4 antennas is much more powerful and faster than the old 2 antenna router.